Olivia is celebrating Star Wars Day with some M&M cookies. I didn't know you were such a fan.
The last movie I saw was the Apple Dumpling Gang.
In theaters?
Yes.
That's been a while.
We're gonna make these M&M cookies into Star Wars themed cookies.
We are. Hey,
but
this
they
is
can't just
celebration.
be regular M&M cookies.
It's a sweet. We continue the theme.
It's
and
hot
these,
outside. You want something tasty to sit outside with.
And might be good with lemonade, but I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Sweet and sour?
We can try it out. Why not?
I'm pregnant. I like pickles and ice cream, so let's
Well,
anything
all
goes
right.
at this point, right?
She'll eat anything, right? Well, and this is your recipe. M&M. Any story behind the M&M cookies? Anybody share that with you? Anything
Well,
special?
I've had the M&M cookie recipe since before y'all were born. And this one has just a little twist on it in that it adds, excuse me, instant pudding.
Oh, okay.
And I chose the miniature M&Ms because they weren't available when I first got the recipe. And I have already creamed in just the normal way you make cookies, butter and brown sugar and white sugar.
Okay.
So to that we will add 2 eggs.
Let me help. What else?
And then we're going to add the pudding mix, well, excuse me, add the vanilla next, and then we'll add the pudding. And I'll try to keep this as quiet as possible. We brought a plastic bowl.
Did your original recipe always call for vanilla pudding?
No,
okay,
this
so
is
something new.
This is the new twist.
Okay. And how will it change the recipe?
It's going to make it sweeter, and it should make it considerably softer, more cakey.
Okay. So the texture will change.
Okay,
too.
now if you will gradually add the flour, which contains soda and salt,
Okay.
then I will try not to get it on your pretty blue dress.
Oh, it's fine if you do. I'll dust it off.
You guys are doing great. This is a good teamwork. I'm
Thanks,
just over here
Leslie.
watching, cheering on the sidelines.
I've been cooking with this child for 16 years.
She hadn't given up on me yet, bless her.
I'll never give up on you because, quite frankly, you've asked really good questions when you question something, and I know that somebody.
I'm trying to figure out how to make it at home.
Well, that's how I learned, asking questions and reading books.
Yep.
You've got some hungry teenagers to feed.
I do, and they do like M&M cookies.
At this point, you're going to add the M&Ms, and that's
Oh,
I feel
they're
like I'm
very
hogging
cute.
the recipe. You're welcome to dump in. I'll
Okay,
swap with you.
gradually or all of them?
share.
just dump them. We're not going to do a whole lot
Dump 'em.
more,
Ooh,
right?
look at that.
And these little M&Ms really make a difference in the cookie.
Get
Yes.
in here, Kevin. Show them the little M&Ms.
See that? Show the little
Closer.
babies.
Oh, yum.
Now then, drop in the chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, here we go.
Throw them in.
Todd, I'm sorry,
going,
were
Miss
you
Rick.
invited over here?
Todd wants to
It's
lick the
inside and it just
spoon.
sounded so delicious. I just wanted to come. Boy, that looks
And
good.
what are these, pecans?
Pecans, let's have them because
All right, here we go.
we
great.
don't want to keep beating it. Now, if I could go in the house and had a cookie sheet, in about 15 minutes, y'all would have cookies.
Oh, yum.
Those look awesome.
I could eat it off the tongue there.
Well, that's
Which
all
you're
I
probably
miss.
not supposed to do, raw eggs. I know they say that, but
That's all I
Everybody
miss
likes to
about
lick the
going
spoon.
in the house. I don't get to feed my 10 kids.
I know. We're so glad just to see you, though.
Well, I'm glad to be here, but I like to leave cookies.
Just leave the bowl. We'll clean it out. for
It'll
you.
be cleaned up.
Thank you, Miss Olivia. We
Thank
do
you,
appreciate it.
lady.